Underneath the main clinical components of the Yomi robot, there is a structure referred to as the mobile cart base. There are two pieces of the mobile cart base that are worth noting: the UPS battery source and the cart brakes. Inside the cart base is housed a battery backup system called the uninterruptible power supply, or UPS, that can provide electricity to the critical components of the robot in the event of loss of power or simply when moving the robot from room to room. When the robot isn't being moved, it should remain plugged in at all times. If the system is not connected to a working power supply, you will hear a beeping noise that persists until power is re-established. This UPS can last a sufficient amount of time off of power to move from room to room without worry, and will recharge once plugged back into a power source. In the event that the practice loses power due to storm or construction, the system should remain healthy as long as it's not moved during this period of time, and power is eventually returned. If you ever have a question or concern about the status of the system, please reach out to a Neosis representative who will be happy to help.